looks like this. You can enter, click on enter. Welcome to the BoredApeYachtClub. Okay, like who knows, like man, seriously. You can see the floor price is 72 Ethereum. 72 Ethereum. So if you just hold this one sheet, you're rich. So if I just convert that to 728 to USDT, that's one, I think, right? Yeah, that's how much USDT you get. 1,04,827 USDT. So yeah, that's so expensive, and for a reason that's expensive, like that's what is called the father of all NFTs. Yeah, so you can see there are NFTs listed for 72, 74. Just beside you can see the activity. You can see just 10 minutes ago there was a sale, 30 minutes ago there was another sale, 48 minutes ago someone bought for 88. So why they give price higher than the floor price, you can ask, because the floor price is 72. So they could just buy for the 72 Ethereum. Why did he pay 88 Ethereum? Or the before guy, why did he pay 100 Ethereum? So basically it's because of trades, because of the rarity, because I already told that there are properties. You can see this leather jacket is 2% rarity, the short mohawk is 3.2% rarity. So there are different websites where you can check the how rare is it, like epic or legendary. So the price depends on that too, and there can be some benefits also for some special trades. So yeah, that's how the price differs. So after Basi, there is another big project, which is Ringa. So I've seen Ringa for a couple of times, which is pretty good. A handcrafted collection of 10,000 characters developed by artists readable with their own identity to be discovered within the wider stories of Ringa. And its purest from Ringa is the art of storytelling. Okay. The floor price is currently 1.55 Ethereum. The volume is 6K Ethereum. Items are 7.2K. Owners are 2.8. So this is how the art looks. Yeah, so of course, just like I showed Solana, suppose you wanna buy this NFT, so you just gotta click on buy now for 1.6, and you can see it is asking for a wallet. So you can ask that I have already connected my Phantom wallet, so why is he asking for another wallet? So basically, Phantom wallet is for Solana, and for Ethereum there are different type of wallets like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Taurus, Bodies, Miter Wallet. So the most popular is the MetaMask, because this is the easiest way to just make your account. So I already have a wallet, so I'll just put my password on, and you can see the my wallet is connected. Yeah, that's good.